Welcome. Today, we're going to explore the exciting new update for WhatsApp that allows you to make group voice calls directly from your PC. This feature is a fantastic way to connect with friends, family, or colleagues all at once. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the official WhatsApp website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats. Once you're in the app, look to the left side menu where you'll find various icons. The next step is to click on the phone icon. This icon represents calls and is your gateway to initiating a voice call. Now, let's move on to the recent section. Here, you will see a list of your recent chats and groups. Scroll through this list until you find the group you want to call. If you're part of several groups, it should be easy to locate the one you're looking for. After selecting the group, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Click on Voice Call from this menu. This action will initiate a group voice call with all members of that group who are currently online and available. And just like that, you're all set. You can now enjoy a seamless group voice call on WhatsApp from your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to stay connected with multiple people at once without needing to switch devices. Remember that this feature supports up to 32 participants in a single call, making it perfect for larger gatherings or team discussions. So, gather your friends or colleagues and start chatting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using WhatsApp and other tech tutorials. Happy calling!